Dude, that's cool. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, where are we going today?
The Hawaii Tropical Botanical Garden.
Oh, our first real date was the Desert Botanical Garden.
So let's go to the opposite.
And now, just a couple days after getting married, we're going to the Hawaii Tropical Botanical Garden.
Apparently this is not Ocean Vista, but I think it kind of is. Oh yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it smells so good right here. Broke the Jeep.
We broke the Jeep. Took the roof off, the doors, the Hawaiian music going. So what do you think of the botanical gardens?
I think there's probably footage of the word I use. By the
Oh, amazing.
That's the one.
Oh, it feels so good, the air.